Hey, thanks for tuning in to HISD Now, your daily update from the district. I am Lana Hill. It is Thursday, September 11th. This week, Superintendent Mike Miles announced the Houston Promise, a commitment to ensure that every child in HISD has access to a high-quality school. In just 2 years, the district has already seen remarkable and historic academic gains. Now the goal is for every HISD school to earn an A or B rating by August 2027.
Look, I have been and I will continue to say there is no finish line. We've got a lot of work to do. We still have kids who are behind in proficiency. We still have 18 D rated schools. We have 50 C rated schools. But coming from where we started with 121 D and F campuses down to just 18, 56 F-rated campuses that are now 0 F campuses, 93 A and B that are now 197 A and B campuses. We can make this promise so that all can mean all.
We told you back in May that the district had sent out a family sentiment survey as part of our efforts to understand your experience at HISD and identify areas where we could improve. We want to thank the thousands of families from all over the district who participated and provided feedback. Here are some of the key points. The majority of families tell us they believe their children are safe, learning, and better prepared for the future. At the same time, the survey shows there's still work to be done, especially when it comes to communication and connection. Since the survey was distributed, we have taken several steps to improve connectivity to families, including our Parent Square platform, our redesigned website, which focuses on making it easier for families to find what they need and share feedback, and our dedicated parent corners, providing valuable resources to families at each and every campus. We will send out the sentiment survey twice a year and hope that when we reach out again for feedback, you can report continuous improvement. We just dropped a new video on the channel called Now You Know What is the District Advisory Committee. Also known as DAC, this group brings together parents, teachers, staff, and community members who work closely with district leaders to shape educational goals and policies. The DAC also provides valuable feedback to the superintendent and board, making sure community voices are heard where it counts. Check out the video on the channel right now to learn more. And when communities, educators, and families come together, real change happens. And one school that's helping to lead the way is Lawson Middle School, a premier fine arts campus in Southwest Houston. In this week's Campus Close-Up, we take you inside the school to see how students are finding their voice through cheer, music, and the visual arts, and how the school is setting a new standard for creative excellence. We just published a news story to the channel this morning about a science teacher at Lawson and how she's creating a positive, hands-on learning environment for her students. Check it out on the channel right now. Well, families with little ones, another reminder, there's still spots open in our pre-K program for this school year. Go to houstonisd.org/pre-K to sign up. And happening now is our board meeting right here in the Hattie Mae White Educational Support Center. The board will be recognizing our Principal of the Year nominees. You can catch the meeting live on our channel. Well, that does it for us today. Thank you so much for watching, and we will be back here tomorrow.